Today we are going to demonstrate our side-by-side wine cooler with the two doors. It has a door on the left and a door on the right. It's indicated by these blinking zeros. So you can see the second door is on the right, the first door is on the left. And in order to make the adjustments that we want to make, we have to unlock the unit. You do that by holding up and down for 5 seconds. You heard it beep, you saw the lock button go away. Now, this is what's currently inside of each chamber, is the current temperature. In order to make the adjustments, we hold on to the lamp for 3 seconds. Now we can make our adjustments. So let's start on the left hand side. The first door on the left, set the temperature up, set the temperature down to exactly what you want. Let's move on to the next door on the right hand side. As you can see now, the right hand is blinking and it's the number 2. I did that by pressing the lamp button. We can go up and we can go down. When you reach both doors at the temperature that you want, let it sit for 2 to 3 seconds, and then it will take you back to the original screen, which has the exact temperature inside of the chamber on both doors.